Today, we're going to make a luncheon meat sandwich. The Jack&King's Luncheon Loaf is fresh and delicious, with a savory taste that's both convenient and nutritious. Fry the luncheon loaf in a pan until both sides are golden brown. Slice the bread and spread some tomato sauce. Add the fried luncheon meat and coat it with beaten eggs. Once again, place it in the pan and cook on low heat. Drizzle some sauce on top and it's ready to be served. You can also sprinkle some spices to enhance the flavor. Luncheon loaf can be used in various cooking styles and combinations, adding a meaty and tasty touch to your dishes, providing a convenient, delicious, and nutritious option for you. Jack&King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.